Cisco and AUI Section 4 pre-assessment, implementing automation for Meraki devices. Match each acronym to the respective product family. Okay, Meraki Video is for MV, Meraki Wireless is for MR, stands for radio, Meraki Switching is for MS, switching, and security is X. Okay. Which status code response from the API call indicates too many requests? This is just one thing to remember. Number 421 means too many requests. This is a standard, not specifically Meraki, but just standard HTTP response status code. Which HTTP method and URL would you use to retrieve the organization ID? Okay, for sure this will be GET, right? And then HTTPS Meraki api.meraki.com. That should be the base URL. So it's not just Meraki.com, it's Meraki api.meraki.com/API/v0, or actually, as at the current time, v0 API is being deprecated, right? So v1 is the newer API, but I think these some basic requests, they remain the same. So this should be the correct answer. Which key describes the type of problem that Cisco Meraki webhook is reporting? I think it's alert type. Again, this is just to remember, and I think I remember correctly that the webhook, it reports the problem, and yeah, it's basically alert type. Match the MV-Sense API to its description. All right, provides a sub-second feed to people of people and their locations. So that is obviously the real-time feed API. Provides information about how many people the camera detected at a particular time. This is, of course, historical perspective, so historical aggregate is the answer. And the last one is obviously current snapshot, what happens right now at the moment. Provides information about how many people are in the camera's view at this moment. Straightforward. Question 6, what is the key that is returned from the Cisco Meraki Wireless Health API that identifies at which point the failure occurred? I think it was failed at or failed step. One of these two. I think failed at, but not quite sure that. Guess that should be failed at. Okay. And that's it. All right, even out of 6 questions, I got only 5 correctly, and I wish I could see what was wrong, but the best information I get is learn how to plan and implement workflows using the Cisco Meraki Integrations API and build a simple health dashboard that can also receive webhooks. Could that be related to this webhook alert type? Possibly.